More news coming in. BRS leader Kavita is in court in Delhi. ED is now seeking 14-day custody. Kavita. ED says Kavita tried to influence witnesses. Kavita tried to tamper with evidence. Kavita says there is no ground, in fact, to extend my custody. That is what Kavita is saying in her defense. But the court is in fact hearing this matter, and the ED is insisting on 14-day custody of Kavita, one of the key accused in the Delhi excise policy scam. In fact, this has been said by the ED in the past as well, that she is in a position to influence witnesses, and that's the reason why her interim bail order was also turned down yesterday by the court on the grounds on which she had applied that her son is appearing for the examinations and that she needs to be with her child, but the court had turned down her interim bail plea. Today again, the ED is now pressing for 14-day custody of Kavita in connection with the Delhi excise policy case in which she is one of the accused. Kavita tried to influence witnesses, says the Enforcement Directorate, the nodal agency investigating the Delhi excise policy alleged scam. She tried to tamper with the evidence. No new ground to extend custody, says Kavita in her defense. It remains to be seen whether she's granted relief or not. However, the Enforcement Directorate is insistent on 14-day custody for Kavita.
क्या कहेंगी कविता जी, क्या कहेंगी कविता? कविता जी, सीबीआई आपसे पूछताछ करना चाहती है, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? सीबीआई wants to question you in this. कविता आपसे बात करना चाहती है सीबीआई, क्या कहेंगी कविता जी, क्या कहेंगी कविता? कविता जी, सीबीआई आपसे पूछताछ करना चाहती है, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? सीबीआई wants to question you in this. कविता आपसे बात करना चाहती है सीबीआई, क्या कहेंगी कविता जी, क्या कहेंगी कविता? कविता जी, सीबीआई आपसे पूछताछ करना चाहती है, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? सीबीआई wants to question you in this. कविता आपसे बात करना चाहती है.
Shrishti Ojha is getting asked more details on that. Shrishti, the ED has said this in the past as well, that Kavita, if released, is going to tamper with the evidence. But Kavita says, what's the ground on the basis of which you extend my custody? Just get us up to speed with the argument being made by the ED in court today.
Well, yes, Neha, one day after her interim bail plea was rejected by this very court, Kavita has been produced before Delhi's Rouse Avenue court today because her period of judicial custody ended today. She was brought from Tihar jail to Delhi's Rouse Avenue court. Here, ED has made a request for 14 days extension, further extension of Kavita's judicial custody. According to ED, continued custody for Kavita is needed. ED has pointed out that she has made attempts to influence the witnesses in this case till now. She has also tampered the evidence in the past, and therefore her continued custody will be needed. The court, ED has also told court that Kavita's role is being crystallized and will be included in the prosecution complaint, the charge sheet basically, which the ED will file eventually against her. However, during the hearing, Kavita's counsel also sought permission for Kavita to address the court directly, saying that she wishes to make some submissions before the court directly. The same hasn't been allowed till now. She was, however, granted permission to meet her husband and her father inside the courtroom while she's still here. As of now, no order has been passed by the court. The court has asked for ED's case diary with regard to basically go through the details of the examination that has been done in this case with regard to Kavita. The judge is presently inside her chamber, will be going through ED's case diary and then will pass an order with regard to extension of Kavita's judicial custody. So we will know in a short while if the court will send Kavita to further judicial custody and for how many days of custody if so granted. Back to you.
Thanking you, Shrishti, for the moment, for getting us up to speed with that. 14 days, says the ED, insisting. Kavita is saying why? What is the reason behind this demand for an extended custody?